Hey everybody, this is Ken from RecPro, and today we're going to be replacing the shroud for the Houghton Bel Air 3800 and 3501. The tools that you'll need will be a Phillips head screwdriver and something with a flat edge. This replacement should only take you about 10 to 15 minutes. Let's get straight into it. The first step when removing the shroud will be removing the plastic covers. To do so, just take a flathead surface and pop them off. Once the covers are all off, then you'll need to unscrew the 4 Phillips heads. Please be mindful not to lose the lock washer and the washer that come with each of these screws. Next, you'll need to locate the 2 side screws, one on each side and the frontmost vent. These are also Phillips head screws. Once they are located, then unscrew them. Now that all the screws are removed, you can easily lift the whole shroud cover straight up and off of your AC unit. To put the shroud cover back on, slide it back down over the AC unit. Next, you'll just need to screw the 4 Phillips head screws back on top. Keep in mind that it will go washer, lock washer, and then the screw. Then once all 4 are tightened, then firmly push all 4 caps back into their spot. Locate the 2 side screw holes and then screw the screws back in. If you like this video and want to see more like it, make sure you like and subscribe. And if you want to know more about this product, click the link in the description below. Also remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.